Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can check missed calls from blocked accounts and iPhone. Let's get started. So when you block someone, their calls don't appear in your normal recent call logs, but sometimes you can still see them in voicemail. So open up your phone application and then go ahead and simply tap on voicemail. If the blocked caller left a voicemail, it will appear here letting you know that they tried to call. So after that, your iPhone may not show blocked call, but your carrier keeps call record. Log into your carrier's account portal like T-Mobile, AT&T, etc. and check your call history log. These logs show all incoming calls including from blocked number. If you don't see them online, contact your carrier customer support and get the call details. Also, if you're using third-party apps like Truecaller or Hia, these often keep a record of blocked call inside the app. Open the app's call log to see if the blocked number attempted to reach you. Finally, the simplest option is to unblock the contact. Go ahead and simply open up your settings application, scroll below, tap on apps, search for phone application and then tap onto it. And then you need to go ahead and tap unblocked contact and just like that unblock them. Once unblocked, future calls will appear in your regular recent list. That's it. Between voicemails, carrier log, third-party apps, and temporary unblocking, you can check missed calls from blocked contacts on your iPhone. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, leave a like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.